Today, we will be learning the need for estimation and how to estimate to the nearest 10. Two friends are starting at the moon and observe that there are a lot of stars as well in the sky. They are wondering that how many stars are there in the sky? One of them said that there are approximately 9,000 stars in the sky. So learners, do you think that he has counted all the stars and then gave the count as 9,000? Or did he just guess the number? This can be understood with the help of estimation. Yes, it's practically really difficult to count the total number of stars, and in such cases, we just use a fair guess or an estimate for the number of stars in the sky. So can you think of some more situations where we use estimation or rounding? Keep on trying, learners. Well, some of them are estimating the number of candies in a jar or some of number of votes received by a political party on the election day. So let's begin the discussion with estimating or rounding to the nearest 10. So what do you understand by nearest 10? Yes, it is the nearest multiple of 10 for the given number. That is, we list the numbers in the times table of 10 and then find out that the given number is closest to which number in the 10's times table. Let us understand estimation by taking an example. Say, what is 86 to the nearest 10? We begin the question by listing the nearest multiples of 10 for the given number, that is 86. Let us list the multiplies of 10 from 0 to 100 on a number line. So learners, can you help me with the multiples of 10 between which 86 lies? Correct. 86 lies between 80 and 90. Now it is time to find the midway number. So which number lies exactly between 80 and 90? Yes, you are right. It is 85. Can you tell where does 86 lie on this number line? Is it in the first half or the second half? Yes, 86 lies in the second half. It is closer to 90 than it is closer to 80. So, 86 to the nearest 10 is 90. Now let us move to the large numbers. Can you find what is 3,823 to the nearest 10? Following the steps we had discussed, the nearest multiples of 10 are 3,820 and 3,830. 3,823 is nearer to 3,820. So 3,823 to the nearest 10 is 3,820, right? So today we learned how estimation is useful in our daily lives and how to round numbers to the nearest 10. So let's practice some questions now. What if we round 4 to the nearest 10? Next question is, what is 999 to the nearest 10? Well, good try. 4 to the nearest 10 is 0 and 999 to the nearest 10 is 1000. Well, I hope that you have understood rounding to the nearest 10 really well. So can you try rounding a number? Say 8,512 to the nearest 100 and the nearest 1000. Well, don't worry. If you couldn't, stay tuned for our next video on rounding numbers to the nearest 100 and the nearest 1000. Keep learning and keep enjoying. Bye, learners.